Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Azim bin Abdul Halim and welcome to Unical News Channel. Tonight, we turn our attention to one of the most urgent challenges facing our planet, climate change. From extreme weather events to global initiative, we bring you a comprehensive look at the state of our environment. Let's begin. Our top story tonight revolves around the latest climate report. Scientists worldwide are ringing alarm bells as the report reveals unprecedented change in our climate. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are all on the rise. From the report we received, closer to home, our communities are not immune to the effects of climate change. Whether it's changing weather patterns, threats to biodiversity, or rising sea levels, the impacts are tangible. We explored what's happening in our own backyards. Despite the challenge, there is a glimmer of hope. Nations across the globe are coming together to combat climate change, from renewable energy initiative to reforestation project. We highlight some of the positive steps being taken to address this global crisis. But somehow, the causes that the causes of climate change is one of that is generating power. So, generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels cause a large chunk of global emissions. Most electricity is still generated by burning coal, oil, or gas, which produce carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, powerful greenhouse gases that blanket the earth and trap the sun's heat. Globally, a bit more than a quarter of electricity comes from wind, solar, and other renewable sources which, as opposed to fossil fuels, emit little to no greenhouse gas or pollutants into the air. Secondly, manufacturing goods is one of the causes of climate change. Manufacturing and industry produce emissions mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, iron, steel, electronics, plastic, clothes, and other goods. Meaning, mining and other industrial process also release gases as does the construction industry. Machines used in the manufacturing process often run on coal, oil, or gas, and some materials like plastics are made from chemical sources from fossil fuels. The manufacturing industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Cut and last but not least, the cause of climate change is cutting down forests. Cutting down forests to create farms or pastures or for other reasons cause emissions, since trees, when they are cut, release the carbon they have been storing. Each year, approximately 12 million hectares of forests are destroyed. Since forests absorb carbon dioxide, destroying them also limits nature's ability to keep emissions out of the atmosphere. Deforestation, together with agriculture and other land use change, is responsible for roughly a quarter of global greenhouse gas emissions. In the pursuit of sustainable solutions, we take a closer look at innovations in renewable energy, from cutting-edge technologies to community-driven initiatives. We explore how these advancements are shaping a more sustainable future. An aspiring movement is gaining momentum worldwide. Youth activism. Tonight, we showcase the passion and determination of young activists who are demanding action on climate change. From school strikes to grassroots campaigns, their voices are making a difference. As we wrap up tonight's special spectrum on climate change, we leave you with a call to action. Each of us had a role to play in preserving our planet. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable practices, or advocating for policy changes, every action counts. So, thank you for joining us, and remember the time to act is now. Bye bye.